Hello guys, hopefully everyone is fine. In this video we will be doing the concept of modes of inheritance. Guys, in modes of inheritance there are three modes. One is public mode, second is private mode, and third is protected mode. So we have to remember the rules of inheritance. First rule is clear: private data members and member functions can't be inherited. They cannot be inherited. So what public mode will do? Let's say I have written class A, and in public I write void take and I define it, right? And in protected I write void input and I define this whole thing. So guys, this is how this whole thing should work. So I have created a class A. Now I want to inherit them. So what public mode, the important thing that we have to understand for public mode is, in public mode, when classes are inherited publicly, the public of base class goes to public of derived class, right? Protected of base class goes in protected of derived class. This is a very important part. If it means that if I write class B public A, I haven't written anything in this. So guys, what happens is the public section of this class A by default will go over here. In the by default, even if the public section is not written in class B, by default it will be created, and void take will go in public section of the class B, and protected section also will be created, and protected of A will go in protected of B. This is known as public level inheritance. And if you notice one thing, I have not mentioned private data members inherited in another class. No, they won't be inherited. So that's how it works. Let's say I'm writing int A over here as a private data member. I have never mentioned that A will be inherited in class B. It won't be, because it is a private data member, right? So this is one case. This is a public case. Now we have the private case. Private case says all the public and protected data members or member functions, they go in private section of derived class. Private section. It means if I write class B private A, it means this void take and this void input by default will go in the private section of class B. It means they cannot be accessed outside class B. So that is what, and again int A never got inherited because it is a private data member. Only void take and void input from public and protected by default will go in the private section of class B. This is the private mode of inheritance. And guys, similarly protected mode also works, so that public and protected of base class by default will go in protected section of derived class. It means if I write class B protected A, by default this void take and void input will be created in protected section of class B. That's how it actually works. Again, I repeat, when a public mode of inheritance is there, public will go in public of derived class, protected will go in protected of derived class, private won't be inherited. Second important point, when there is a private mode of inheritance, public and protected of the base class will go in the private section of derived class. And then there is a protected mode of inheritance, public and protected of base class will go in protected section of derived class. So if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Kindly share it to maximum audience so that we can reach numbers. Thank you very much for your support.